Laptop keyboard is not for long-lasting use. After some days, it started showing a lot of problems. Keys does not work properly and sometimes it works without press on keys. So in this case, we have to use an external keyboard. But before use an external keyboard, we have to detach or disable our internal keyboard, as I disabled in my laptop right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable laptop inbuilt keyboard from settings. So let's get started. So first of all, go to this PC, right click on it, go to Properties, and then Device Manager. And here you will see the keyboards option. Just click on this arrow beside the keyboards option. Inside here, two drives available. One is your external keyboard drive, another one is standard PS/keyboard. So update the standard PS/keyboard. Browse my computer for driver software. Now click on Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Uncheck the box and you will get more options. Choose random one and change the drive soft. There is a warning message. Here you can select yes. Close the window. Now you have to apply yes to restart your laptop. And finally, your internal keyboard is disabled. Now you can use an external keyboard nicely. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.